Hello friends, my name is Govind Tejirao Dhage. I am studying in Diploma in Mechanical Engineering at Government Polytechnic Nanded. Today topic is cogeneration and trigeneration process. Firstly, we will see what is cogeneration. Cogeneration means combined heat and power or CHP in sequential conservation of energy contained in a fuel into two or more usable forms. First, energy from coal is converted to heat in a boiler to produce steam. This steam produces electricity. In addition, provides heat for manufacturing process. Second, gas is used in gas turbine to generate electrical energy. The remaining heat is used to produce steam in a heat recovery boiler which can be used for manufacturing process. Thus, a conventional system produces either electrical or thermal energy, but the cogeneration system produces both the energies. A cogeneration system can either be implant power generation system or reject heat utilization system. Next, we will see types of cogeneration power plants. In a typical combined heat and power plant system, there is a steam or gas turbine which takes steam and drives an alternator. A waste heat exchanger is also installed in cogeneration plant which recovers the excess heat or exhaust gas from the electric generator to return to turn generator steam or hot water. There are basically two types of cogeneration power plants, such as topping cycle power plants, bottoming cycle power plants. Here we will see cogeneration plant layout. In this diagram, we will see boiler, turbine, condenser, alternator, etc. Need for cogeneration. Cogeneration helps to improve the efficiency of the plant. Cogeneration reduces air emission of particulate matter, nitrogen oxide, sulfur dioxide, mercury, carbon dioxide, which would otherwise leads to greenhouse effect. It reduces cost of production and improve productivity. Cogeneration system helps to save water consumption and water cost. Cogeneration system is more economical as compared to conventional power plant. Next, benefits of cogeneration. First, fuel economy. Less consumption of primary fuel. Fuel economy results from higher thermodynamic efficiency of a cogeneration system as compared to separate power producing and heat producing system. Next, lower capital cost. Industry needing system has a invest on boilers. The extra investment needed to upgrade boiler so that electricity can also be generated is pretty as compared to cost of boiler. This cogeneration results in enormous saving in capital cost. Next, low gestation period. A utility needs 6 years to add a thermal generation system, whereas installation of cogeneration system by the industry needs only 3 years. The low gestation period results in saving interest, earlier utilization of facility, earlier return on investment, saving to industry from power cuts and power supply interruptions.